You just walked out of the agency pitch meeting. The deck is solid, the budget makes sense, and now your real work begins. Your CMO needs a 5-slide summary by tomorrow morning. The ops team needs to know exactly what's launching when, and product development needs to know what they're building because that limited edition product drop doesn't make itself. 3 audiences, 3 completely different needs, 1 source. Welcome to FAM's AI Superpowers. I'm Dan. I don't specialize in AI yet, I'm still learning it myself, but I found a workflow that turns one big deck into 3 audience-ready mini decks without you rewriting a single slide. Don't open 3 blank decks and start cutting and pasting. Open 1 fresh PowerPoint, fire up the Copilot Chat pane, and we'll translate the agency deck 3 different ways in a single session. Wipe this in. Read the attached agency pitch deck and create 3 separate mini decks. 1. A 5-slide CMO summary covering the strategy, the budget, the risks, and the timeline. 2. A 3-slide ops handoff covering what's launching, when, and who needs to mobilize. 3. A 2-slide product development brief on the limited edition product. Use the / command to link the deck. In about 30 seconds, Copilot extracts the right content for each audience from the same source, and you didn't touch a single slide. Now we tune each one for its audience. I tell Copilot, lead the CMO version with the total budget. They'll want that first. Add an agency-owned versus internally owned column to the ops handoff. And for product development, flag any assumptions about the limited edition product that haven't been confirmed yet. 1 prompt, 3 audience-specific edits. The CMO gets their number up front. Ops gets clarity on ownership, and product development walks in already knowing what they need to push back on. Here's the real shift. Most marketers translate stakeholder content 1 audience at a time. Write the CMO version, start over for ops, start over for product development. The move is to treat the source deck as 1 input and let Copilot fan it out into 3 outputs in a single session. Same agency pitch, 3 audiences, 1 workflow. Work smarter, not harder. Follow for more AI superpowers in Microsoft 365.